beat evil villains, why can't I beat the common cold? Thanks, Dad. Oh, no. The party's over, Chuck. Doesn't mean I still don't have my superpowers.
Forget your superpowers. I don't want to get your Right. You're not contagious, are you?
I'll try to avoid getting you sick.
Get away from me with... You don't like the salami smell? Wordgirl, what are you doing here?
Yeah, well, you should be home, not out committing crimes.
Oh, here, use this. Then,
Sir.
May I help you?
yeah,
I'm sorry, what did you say?
give me a number.
Here!
Could have avoided my cold by not committing any crime.
Money for that because I spent all my money on this giant nose machine.
Machine, one that's a little smaller. This one is so big.
Oh, yeah? Take this. Tissue?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
And Huggy Face.
It was nothing. Not again.
Cold remedies on aisle 4.
Oh.
I know.
Tune in next week for another exciting episode of Wordgirl. Anybody got a tissue?